Right, morning again. Thursday the 23rd today, 23rd of December. A couple of days before Christmas. We're still ditching. Got a bit further now. I think it's coming out quite alright. You can see there's a pipe runs across there. It's just a little old sewer. It's a dead one, but we'll leave the pipe and leave it alone, work around it. Widened it out underneath it so that the any sticks and that get a chance to go underneath. I think it's cleaning up quite nice. Did the other side a couple of days ago, where I can access the other side. We've got this corner and back to that big tree to do, so I'll get a bit of footage. Well, some of the spoil I'm leaving piled up down the side, and then there's some quite sort of, I don't know, shallow holes that left this not flat, so where there's any holes I'm filling them in. It's all mud anyway. You can see how muddy it is. Hopefully next year it'll dry and we can cut it and get it compacted a bit when it's dry and just slick it up for now, and that's good enough. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Thursday afternoon. We're nearly there now. You can see the blue sleeper up there. That's where we're finishing, that's where the ditch finishes. Done the other side, slicking up reasonably well. It could do to be a bit wetter, it'd make it a lot easier. It's sticky and horrible, but we're getting it. It's not quite as clean a banking as I'd like. There's a lot of sticks and stuff that are in like stump holes, but the soil's far too sticky to get just right. But, we're nearly there. Got this orchard corner to do, and around that side, just as best I can. I've already done from this corner up that way, taking the bottom out. But we had some rain at dinner time, and as you can sort of see, there's quite a bit coming down it. It's nice and clear now.